Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm just gonna give you a tip about jump starting a car. So in this case scenario, this car here, the battery went low because I left the car for a long time. So the battery had about 10 volts in it, and then so I had to bring this other car here in order to jump start this one. So just bear in mind that battery wasn't completely dead. There was about 10 volts in it. So you can see the jump lead I have connected from the battery there to the battery here. But in this car, this is an S-Class 2012. There is an earth point just there, and then the positive I'm using the battery there. However, my tip here is I try to jump start the car with these cables first, these jump starting cables. You may notice that they are a little bit thin. They look nice and they're new actually. They're brand new, but they're a bit thin, and they would not provide enough current to start this car. So I connected that, waited 5 minutes, and it would not do the trick. So I had to go away and I actually borrowed these other cables, which are actually much longer because these are quite short. So these do not go all the way from there to there. So I originally had this car parked next to this car, and then I could get this from battery to battery. But these cables here that you're able to buy, you can buy these brand new jump lead starts in anywhere, petrol stations and whatnot. But bear in mind, they are not very good. They don't do the job. So if you actually if your battery is even below 10 volts, you have no chance. If your battery is about 11.5 volts when it went down and you can't start the car, this will actually do the job. They will work. But like I said, in this case scenario, they don't. So if you're going to invest some money, here's where the tip goes. If you're going to invest some money on some cables to carry in your car, just in case one day you have no you run out of battery, then I would suggest getting some proper ones like this. And these are quite thick, and also when you try to clamp this, they are quite hard, so they're very strong. They clamp in properly. So anyway, that's the tip of the day. And having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching.